Hey everybody, this is Kia of Saskatoon once again with another brand new trade that just hit our lot. Take a look at this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Oh, also don't forget folks, we want to see it in a Kia, but in this case, this Caravan. Coming into the rear here, you're going to take a look. Of course, there's tons and tons of space. So much room for cargo. And check this out, you even got a button that'll actually close this hatch all on its own. Take a look at that. And take a look at this, we got power sliding rear doors, so that'll make your life a lot easier when you need to get into the back here. And for your passengers, this little button here, you pull this, the whole seat just goes up. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. And take a look at how much room is back here. This thing is like an airplane. You got storage containers absolutely everywhere. Look at that, you got overhead storage. It's fantastic. All right, there we go. And of course, coming up to the front now, as you can see, we got more storage, connectivity options, navigation, and there's much more, all with only 50-some thousand kilometers. So come on down to Kia Saskatoon, follow us on our Facebook, our Instagram, our YouTube as well. There you go, just for winter, heated steering wheel, heated seats as well. We look forward to seeing you here. The coffee's ready.